Configuration is i7. i7 10th generation, 12th generation. Latest 16 GB RAM. Because whatever software we have come to. Yes. If you are done not only this, most of 100 projects are ready available.
People are saying that not
and what are the displays you are seeing in the camera? They are actually even drum controls are solar system ideas. Objective is actually just assembly
reverse engineering. Department communication.
Interact with our students also.
Yes. Obviously. We are from which semester? Fourth semester. Second year. Fourth year.
Yes, and 5 years.
Final year. ECE.
looking like intermediate.
So how your studies going on?
You speak something about your department.
Our attendance principal sir.
I will go there.
Obviously,
I am asking about your department. You are telling me directly.
So your placement is going on? Have you got the job or
Yes.
which company?
Coordination developers.
Huh?
Coordination.
Are you interested in coding? Coding club is there inside the campus?
See the challenge is conducting training programs.
Yes, sir.
What type of training programs?
What? The grooming session, companies. Okay. What type of quality the company is actually asking? So, in ECE, we have to have a very good fundamental, strong background of these. In addition to this, you have to know some kind of communication skills, soft skills, problem solving skills, analytical skills, food management as a team leader. So these are some other skills also nowadays. You have to secure the job in it.
There is a regarding professor from NIT Sinchas and is taking care of the student affairs for the entire college. And student will have to teacher. And one more professor is also from NIT Sinchas. And Sir Srinivas sir is a good researcher from Air University and actually is so strong.
There is also actually renowned man, LSI.
You have to utilize those things. That's why. The reason for conducting all these things is you have to get the output from all those persons. Then only there is a meaning of conducting all these things. Okay, sir? Okay. Thank you. Now, we have to look at excellent. Very good.
Yes,
The association is the Declan for ECE. The Declan Association member of it. We are in association with the ED, we are conducting it. That's why they cover the concepts of both. Random mantra.
Spread it total.
Opportunity for you, please come.
And so on behalf of ECE department and Tirumala Engineering College, it gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all on this program. With your support and encouragement, I hope the program will become a successful one. I would like to introduce the chief patrons of this program and the backbone of our institution, Dr. Sri B. Brahmanaidu Garu, Chairman, Tirumala Engineering College, Sri Batin Nageshwara Garu, Vice Chairman, Raval Satyanarayana Garu, Secretary and Correspondent, Tirumala Engineering College, Sri Nalaguth Venkatrao Garu, Joint Secretary, D. Brahmanandam Garu, Treasurer, and I now humbly introduce our patron and founder principal of Tirumala Engineering College.
Cuma మది తెలుపగరావా అచ్చొచ్చేటి వెన్నెలలో విత్సంగాలు నవ్వగనే కొంచెంది కురుకుసిరి అచ్చొచ్చేటి వెన్నెలలో విత్సంగాలు నవ్వగనే కొంచెంది కురుకుసిరి
system. I request our chief guest and principal sir and head of the department to come forward and light the lamps. How others would be feeling right now, but I am on cloud 9, sharing the dais with such an eminent personalities. Thank you very much, sir, for coming. Now I would like to proceed the session with a prayer song by our students Srinita and Anu here from 2nd ECE, and I request everyone to please stand up for this.
गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रतिष्ठाय ते
have beloved HOD, ECE department, Mr. T. Jagdish sir. He has given a valuable guidance and has also helped a lot to arrange this program. So let me call upon my colleague, Mr. Hanuman sir, to read the profile of our HOD sir.
Good morning everyone. Respected dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, Honorable Chief Guest of the program, Dr. Kaushik Guha Garu, Dr. Kavicharan Garu, Dr. K. Srinivas Rao Garu, and our founder principal, Dr. Y.V. Narayana Garu, head of the department and convener of the program, Mr. Jagdish Garu, and various head of the departments, my dear colleagues and students, welcome everyone. Myself, Venkata Hanuman, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of ECE, Tirumala Engineering College. Today is a great day. We are organizing a national level 5-day short-term program on data processing and circuit design using EDA tools. On this occasion, I would like to introduce the convener of this program and head of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mr. T. Jagdish sir, and sir currently working as Associate Professor and Head of the Department ECE at Tirumala Engineering College. Previously, he worked as a DASA file developer in DASA Control Systems, Sweden. He completed his Master of Science in Signal Processing from Royal Institute of Technology, Sweden, and Master of Technology with specialization of Signal Processing from JNTU, Hyderabad, and he completed his BTech in SCR Engineering College, Guntur. He is presently pursuing PhD at National Institute of Technology, Rourkela. He honored with Best Teacher Award from Tirumala Engineering College in 2013 and 2020. He has professional memberships in IETE and ISTE. He has published more than 30 journals and he attended 14 international conferences. He is reviewer for many SCI Index Journal and also external reviewer for MTech and BTech programs, and he authored 3 textbooks. He acted as coordinator for NBA and NAC. His areas of interest are signal processing, computer vision, neural networks and nanotechnology. Thank you all for giving this golden opportunity to introduce such a great person to you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our convener of the program and the head of the department EC to brief the session.
Thank you, Hanuman sir. First of all, respected management members and our dynamic and founder principal, Dr. Y.V. Narayana sir, and today's chief guest, Kaushik Guha sir. So he is Dean of Academics from MIT Silchar. Today's guest of honor, Kavicharan sir. He is also from MIT Silchar. Dr. K. Srinivas Rao sir, Head of Microelectronics, KLU University, and various department heads, faculty, colleagues teaching and non-teaching, participants of various institutions, and my dear students, very good morning to one another. Good morning, sir. First of all, I welcome to a 5-day national level short-term training program on data processing and circuit design using electronic design automation tools. So it is a great honor to be the convener for this short-term training program. As a convener, so I would like to thank Dr. Kaushik Guha sir, Kavicharan sir and Srinivasrao sir accepting our invitation, and they are ready to discharge their knowledge for us. So first of all, I would like to very much thank you, sir. So sir came from almost NIT Silchar. It is so far from our institution. They are having very busy schedule. In spite of their busy schedule also, so they came for us. So especially from my heart, so thank you very much, sir. Next, I am not forget to say thank to our principal, sir. So when we was planned this short-term training program, he accepted without time delay. So single minute also he is. So when we was planned this one, so sir is accepted our department invitation and he convinced so eminent personalities like a dignitaries. So sir is also from same stream, electronics and communication engineering. So we know that. So that is the backbone of our institution and as well as our department also. Because of him only, our department is doing and did this type of short-term training programs and FTPs, and even pandemic situation also we did this type of lot of programs we did. So first of all, I am very much thankful to our principal, sir. Thank you, sir. So coming to actually initially we was planned only for 40 participants. Later number of huge participants came. That's why so we give opportunity to almost 100 participants. So this everything is recorded in YouTube and link is also shared in a online manner. Total 104 participants are registered for this short-term training program. So especially the main objective of this short-term training program is so research and practical way of teaching. At least we have to know or command on electronic design automation tool. First we have to know at least one automation tool, then we have to implement our idea and we have to show our results and then we have to publish the papers. So today real-time research workers are here. So they already inaugurated our department R&D cell also. So your blessing and your support, so we have to do research work and we have to encourage our faculty and students towards the research publications also, sir. Already we got NBA, so recently with very good comments from expert teams, and only they give comments on R&D work. That's why we are strongly decided to do work on R&D cell, and we have to do next stage, or we have to show our department in next stage in the R&D cell. So already inaugurated today, so tomorrow onwards we have to work on that real-time manner and we have to implement our ideas and we are ready to publish. I know our student strength. Already we provide lot of solutions to surrounding villages also, sir. Real-time, what are the real-time problems are there in the surrounding? So our students are ready to provide the solutions for that type of problems. So already they are having that much of capability. So that's why we have to do our research work, sir, with your support and your blessings. So thank you very much, sir. And next, coming to the participants. So thank you very much for registering this short-term training program. So we will provide certificate for each and every participant, so who are actively participated in the short-term training program. And finally, I would like to thank to my co-convener and supportable person, Dr. K. Karthik Kumar sir, and And these all things are possible because of our department, young faculty members and teamwork. Only because of teamwork. Already we got MBA also, we appreciate our teamwork. So today everyone saw what type of programs and how we are going to organize this program. So only this is possible because of our department faculty teamwork. So I am appreciating, I am thankful to each and every faculty members of ECE department and non-teaching faculty members. Thank you very much. So finally, thanks for giving me this great opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for briefing so immensely. Now I take opportunity and a great pleasure to introduce our today's chief guest and keynote speaker of today's session, Dr. Kaushik Guha, sir, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, National Institute of Technology, Silchar. I would like to call upon my colleague, Mrs. K. Sharada, to read the profile of our chief guest today.
Respected Principal Sir, Dr. Y.V. Narayana Garu, Convener and Head of the Department of ECE, Mr. Jagdish Sir, Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Kaushik Guha Sir, Dr. Kavicharan Sir, Dr. K. Srinivasrao Sir, and heads of various departments, all the participants, colleagues, and my dear students, good morning one and all. Good morning, ma'am. Myself, K. Sharada, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Tirumala Engineering College. On this occasion, a 5-day national level short-term training program on data processing and circuit design using Indian tools, I take the privilege to introduce Dr. Kaushik Guha, the keynote speaker of today's session. Dr. Kaushik Guha is presently Associate Dean of Academic in National Institute of Technology, Silchar. He is an optimistic researcher and Associate Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, NIT Silchar. He is a great leader and team worker, leading his department successfully for 13 years. He is former Associate Dean of Students' Welfare in NIT Silchar. He believes in students are builders of next world-class technology. Coming to the academic profile, Dr. Kaushik Guha received his BTech degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering in 2005 from Techno India, Salt Lake, Kolkata under West Bengal University of Technology. His MTech degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering under the specialization RF and Microwaves in 2007 from Burdwan University, West Bengal, followed by PhD from NIT Silchar in 2016 on design and modeling of RF MEMS shunt switch. Sir worked as lecturer in Department of ECE in Haldia Institute of Technology, West Bengal during August 2007 to June 2010 and served as visiting faculty of NIT Mizoram from 2012 to 2014. Regarding the awards, Dr. Kaushik Guha is awarded Distinguished Faculty Award 2021 by NIT Silchar for his outstanding performance in teaching and research. Recently, he has been awarded IETE RS Kandapur Award 2022 for his achievements and outstanding contribution at national and international level in the field of medical instrumentation, covering education, research, design, development and production. Sir is also awarded Institute of Smart Structures and Systems Young Scientist Award ISSS IISc Bangalore 2021 for his contribution in MEMS and Dept sensors and actuators. He has been running National MEMS Design Center in NIT Silchar with an uplifted passion. MEMS Lab is helping to eliminate the department by supporting so much research scholars to pursue their work. He His profound interest towards MEMS designing has made him one of the leading researchers not only in NIT Silchar but in the country with research articles in highly reputed journals. About the publications and conferences, Dr. Guha has published more than 100 papers in journals like IEEE, Springer, LCO, etc. and conferences of international repute. He has authored around 25 book chapters and one book on noise in RF MEMS switching modeling and simulation. Sir is a senior member of IEEE and is a member of many professional bodies like IEI, SECI, FOSCT, IIAM, etc. Recently, he has been nominated as Fellow of Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers, IETE, and Institute of Scholars, Government of India. He has been an active and regular reviewer of SCI, SSCI journals and various IEEE hosted and sponsored conferences. Teaching is the heart of Dr. Guha, evidenced by his classes with exceptional sincerity and motivation. He has received a number of awards like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Reformer Award 2018, Outstanding Faculty in Engineering under VIFA 2018, Institute of Scholar Research Excellence Award 2020, Institute of Scholar in Achievers Award 2020, to make a few. Sir has been involved in a number of R&D projects from various government organizations like Special Manpower Development Project from Mighty Government of India, Horizon 2020 funded international project with Tyndall National Institute of Ireland, India, Italy bilateral international project, etc. and has been associated with it since a long time. Dr. Guha is awarded 5 international patents and 1 national patent. Dr. Guha delivered many lectures in conferences, seminars, FTPs and training programs. He has produced 4 PhD and currently supervises 8 number PhD scholars in the field of MEMS and VLSI. His current research interests include mimicking human body functions using MEMS technology, RF MEMS, bio-MEMS, MEMS energy harvesting, design and development of smart sensors for IoT, VLSI circuit design and optimization and many more. I thank you for giving me this golden opportunity to read the profile of a great personality. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. Now it gives me an immense pleasure and honor to call upon our chief guest to address the gathering.
Thank you. So I think it was the introduction of my profile was not required, it was too delayed. Actually it is quite long. Okay, so anyhow, so I must appreciate the effort of the organizing body, specifically Principal Sir. So he is obviously very dynamic and renowned person. So to listen to the clappings of this hall actually proves that how he is famous and how he runs the Stimul Engineering College with the support of all faculty, students and staff. This is not a single-handed one, so teamwork must be required. So really sir, so it was a pleasure for me to invite me on this occasion and to deliver something what we are doing on NIT Silchar. Then respected my very good old friend that Professor K. Srinivasa Rao from KL University. We have a very good collaboration with the KL University and NIT Silchar since long time, I think maybe from 2017. So we are doing so many
research projects, then publications, then seminar workshops. And I also visited KL University in 2018. It was a fantastic campus also. And then while I come here also, they're from Hyderabad, then I love this place because it's a beautiful road trip from Hyderabad to Guntur, this Tirumala Engineering College. Yesterday night, I reached here at maybe at 11 o'clock. We reached here in the guest house. But it was a long journey, but yes, it was a very good and very good hospitality that the governing body has given to us. So they have no stone actually leaving that unturned actually to welcome us from the airport. Then my colleague is there. We came both actually. Dr. Govicharan, he is my colleague in the Department of NIT Silchar. We used to organize so many workshops, conferences. We are involved also the publication, the research projects also. He is also very good faculty on this microelectronics and VLSI domain. And then our HOD sir is also a very good person. He is very popular, and other faculty members and the students. Yeah, really you are doing a very great. The dance that the students have made, the perform, yeah, really is amazing. I will share this with my NIT team. When I go back, I will share this video. I have taken the video also. How the students are performing. In our college also, there are lots of cultural activities, technical phase, then social phase, then other things that we used to organize. Our students are also very good. And being a NIT actually, we have the privilege to host the students from all parts of the country. From the Jammu, Kashmir to the Kerala, then Karnataka, then Andhra. And from this place, maximum number of students after that Assam, the students coming from Andhra Pradesh to NIT Silchar. So NIT Silchar is quite popular in Andhra, in this region, because being NIT in Assam region, most of the students are from Assamese. But in addition to that, apart from that, the second majority of the students are from the Andhra Pradesh, and they are very, very good. They are doing all sort of activities. They wish to celebrate the Ganesh Chaturthi, then others, then Pongal, then Lohri, then anything, any spring fest, anything we used to organize in NIT Silchar in addition to the academic activities. Because we believe in that academic activities and also the extracurricular activities, co-curricular activities actually help the students to build their shape, to build the characters, to help them to becoming a perfect product, okay, for the outside environment. So obviously, if you have a chance to visit our campus by attending any national workshops or seminar or conference, if you have a chance, you visit us. Then it is a beautiful campus, very big campus. Principal sir and Professor Rao already visited in our campus. So I think you will like it. There is a total greenery, tea garden, the lakes are there, so it is a beautiful campus. Very good cohesive environment for teaching and research also. Our campus is a residential campus. We are having 18 to 20 number of hostels, then faculty quarters, staff quarters, the departments, the research center, the bank, post office, the KV, school for children, the kids children, faculty kids. They used to actually go to the school, in our kids school. So it's a big campus. So I think you will like it. So and also I came here to build up the relation between NIT Silchar and Tirumala Engineering College. That is also, I have this intention, and with the leadership, with the cooperation and support from the principal sir, I will try my best, okay, to make a fruitful collaboration, to make a good relation, so that I also have a wish that this Tirumala Engineering College will go at the top is the coming days, okay, and it will come soon, not later. How this TEC is going on, I think within a couple of years, I think it will go to the zenith, okay, at the top position. So thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your energetic and a very beautiful speech from Sir. Now I'll call upon, or it's a great pleasure to introduce our chief guest, Mr. Dr. Kavicharan Mumaneni, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, National Institute of Technology, Silchar. I would like to call my colleague, Mrs. B. Vaishali, to read the profile of our today's guest.
Respected Principal Sir, Dr. Y.D. Narayan, Convener and Head of the Department of ECE, Mr. T. Jagdish Sir, Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Kaushik Guha Sir, Dr. Kavicharan Sir, Dr. K. Srinivas Sir, Heads of various departments, all the participants, colleagues, and all my dear students. Good morning to one and all. Myself, B. Vaishali, working as an Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Tirumala Engineering College. It's a great honor to me to introduce Dr. Kavicharan Mumaneni, Assistant Professor of ECE Department, NIT Silchar, who is an eminent personality as well and well-known speaker in the domain of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Dr. Kavicharan Mumaneni was born in Telangana. He obtained his BTech degree from JNU Hyderabad in 2006 and completed his Masters from NIT Calicut in 2009 and awarded his PhD from NIT Warangal in 2015. He is having more than 10 years of teaching experience in various organizations. He is a senior member of IEEE. His research interests are VLSI interconnects, micro and nano electronic devices, digital circuits, FPGA-based design, carbon nanotube interconnects, stretchable interconnects, machine learning and VLSI physical design. He has published more than 50 research papers in the domain of micro and nano electronic devices and circuits. He has authored around 5 book chapters. Sir has produced one PhD scholar and currently supervising 2 PhD scholars. Sir has organized various workshops, conferences in MREC Hyderabad and NIT Silchar with a huge number of participants. Presently, he is a coordinator of Quality Assurance and Control Committee and Program Coordinator of MTech in the specialization of Microelectronics and VLSI Design in the Department of ECE at NIT Silchar. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity.
Thank you, madam. Now I request our chief guest, Dr. Kavicharan Mumaneni garu, to please address the gathering, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
After seeing this gathering and so much energetic, because even we have organized like this workshops many, but hardly we see like couple of students only. Because we have seen many students, and again 50% female students are there, 50% boys are there. It's really enthusiastic for me. Okay. And regarding this workshop actually, and we would like to cover the VLSI design aspects and again device related aspects we would like to cover. And again, I thank our Professor Narayan sir for inviting us. And again, actually we came from Assam. Yesterday morning 5 o'clock we have started, and again midnight we came here. The hospitality provided by our organizing committee is very good. Actually, we are happy to share our knowledge with all of you. And please feel free to ask us whatever the doubts you are having. And again, one more thing, actually, you people are, I think, UG students, is it? All of you are UG students? Yes, sir. And again, I am the coordinator of MTech program. And please, not only going for the IT companies, please try to write some GATE exams and try to get admissions in NITs and IITs. Because I also came from like this private college only under JNU Hyderabad. After that, I did my MTech from NIT Calicut. After that, PhD from NIT Warangal, and now I am an assistant professor in NIT Silchar. Means don't stop at the only for some IT job or some other companies where you are not up to the mark. Means please try to grow. Means something like never satisfied with any whatever the stage you are having. Please try to grow yourself and learn. And again, nowadays there are many online courses are available, and NPTEL video lectures are available. Even the lectures of MIT professors are available. Stanford University professors video lectures are available. Don't stop at any stage. Please try to read multiple books. Try to listen multiple video lectures which are available. Means please utilize your time effectively, because nowadays we are having internet. Everything is in internet. Means please try to use your time. Means instead of wasting your time, means till you grow up to certain level, you please try to achieve multiple skills. Not only for the textbook, you try to do some practical projects, and you collaborate with various faculties. You try to mail us, even NIT faculty or IIT faculty. At least if you mail 10 people, at least 3-4 they will try to help you wherever you stuck. Means you can mail them, you can call them also. Our phone numbers are there. Means please don't stop at any level. Don't think like they won't respond. Okay, we have a good collaboration with the other experts in other domains, and try to grow yourself. Okay, means I feel like nowadays people are moving towards only IT companies. That is not the correct way. Means as per your passion, means try to move into the core companies only. Try to, for that you please everyone, not only faculty, even students also. Means don't stop at any stage. Means you have to achieve, you have to reach to a very higher level. Means for that continuously how to educate, or you have to learn many things from the resources what is available in the market. Means 10 years back we used to have only textbooks only. Nowadays we are having very good eminent lectures are available in the YouTube. Means you can have NPTEL lectures, and again means multiple professors from IITs, IIScs, they are very good lectures are available. Even we are also following, we are also listening Stanford University professors lectures, and again MIT lectures and IIT professor lectures. Effectively use the time such that you grow to the higher level. That's my humble request to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your suggestions and encouragement to our students, and we will definitely try to follow your instructions and will try to imbibe it. Now it gives me a great pleasure to introduce our chief guest, Dr. Karumuri Srinivas Rao Garu, Professor, Department of ECE, KL University, Vijayawada, and I request my colleague, Mrs. P. Venusri, to read the profile of our chief guest today.
Good morning all, respected dignitaries on the dais, honorable chief guest of the program, Dr. Kaushik Guha Garu, Dr. Kalcharan Garu, Dr. Srinivas Rao Garu, and our founder principal, Dr. Y.V. Narayana Garu, head of the department and convener of the program, Jagdish Garu, various head of the departments, and my dear colleagues, participants and students, a hearty welcome to everyone. It's my privilege to stand before you all to read the profile of a resource person, Dr. K. Srinivas Rao Garu. Professor K. Srinivas Rao Garu, currently working as Head of Microelectronics Research Group, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering in KL University. His current research areas are MEMS, Micro-Electromechanical Systems, Based Reconfigurable Antennas, Actuators, Biomems, RF MEMS Switches, RF MEMS Filters, MOSFET, FinFET, etc. Dr. K. Srinivas Rao Garu, honored with 8 Scientist Award from Department of Science and Technology, Government of India in 2011. He also received UGC Major Research Award from SIR, Government of India in 2016. Presently, he is working on MEMS project worth of 40 lakhs funded by SIR, Government of India. SIR has published more than 180 plus international research publications and presented more than 75 conference technical papers around the world. He has membership in various professional bodies like IETE, ISTE and IEEE. Under the guidance of Dr. K. Srinivas Rao, 7 PhD research scholars has been awarded. Currently, 8 PhD scholars are working with him. He is reviewer for many SI Index journal and also external reviewer for many universities for MTech and PhD programs. Thank you. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, madam. Now I request our chief guest to please address the gathering.
Dignitaries on the dais, the founder principal, and my colleague and my friend Dr. Kaushik Guha and Dr. M. Kavicharan and head of the Department of ECE, TEC College, other faculty members, senior professors and the Department of ECE faculty and the students. Good morning to one and all.
Good morning, sir.
I am near to your institute only. I am not from NIT. I am from KL University. You are lucky enough to have this particular event, the workshop, or we can say short-term training program. The main purpose of these kind of the events to enhance your knowledge. The first goal is enhance your knowledge. And to enhance your knowledge, we will invite the people from around the world and also around the states, from around the globe, if it is the international event, to exchange the knowledge from the other institutions, what they are doing in their institutions. And your principal has taken rightly decisions to bring the people from the NIT Silchar, and also he wants to establish some research collaborations with the NIT Silchar and KL University in the field of VLSI and MEMS. So Dr. Kaushik Guha is an expert in MEMS, and Dr. Kavicharan is an expert in VLSI, particularly on the nanoscale transistors. I am the person who is working on MEMS as well as on VLSI. So we are going to have a talk on today and Monday from our 3 people, particularly. Dr. Kaushik Guha is going to deliver all sorts of the VLSI circuits, devices and their applications. So you will be knowing many things from us, definitely I am sure, because right now you are using so many electronic gadgets. I think in your hand, I think probably the smartphone is there, but internally what is the role of electronic engineer is a question mark. So many of the electronic gadgets are built by our electronics engineers, and especially from the VLSI and also from the signal processing, that is called data processing aspects. And today there is also opportunities in core. So probably you all are having only the opportunities in software, but no, there are core opportunities also available, as Dr. Kavicharan has rightly mentioned, by utilizing your time. So we are habituated about smartphones and we are spending our time like anything by looking into various aspects. So properly utilize your time, learn the things in electronics, particularly in VLSI, understand the VLSI chip and chip designs by machine learning techniques and artificial intelligence. Therefore, a core company will definitely take you. And in the title it is mentioned that the EDA tools, the electronic design automation tools. So definitely a tools like Cadence, a tools like Mentor Graphics, Synopsys, these are some of the software tools which will help you to design the VLSI circuit in the best way. And the VLSI itself, it says that the area has to be reduced, therefore we have to improve the device efficiency. So how we will reduce the area and what kind of techniques we have to use and what type of the transistors today utilizing in the market, not only in the mobile communications and also in the biomedical field. Dr. Kavicharan, I think, is going to give a talk on the transistors, small scale transistors, and Dr. Guha is going to deliver on small scale devices, MEMS and VLSI devices. And I am going to talk about these nanoscale devices for the biomedical applications, particularly for the cancer cells. So today we have some kind of the equipments in the hospitals to detect the cancer cells, but unfortunately, so many people not able to put the efforts because of cost and other things, right? Especially the breast cancers faced by the female candidates is a problem, and also the death rates are increasing day by day. So we have motivated this problem to get some solutions for the cancer cells, particularly for the breast cancer cells, with the help of the PLSI specialization, that is called nanoscale transistor. And not only that, there are many sensors what we are utilizing in the today home appliance and also in the automobile field. The electronics engineer role is crucial. And as you know that Government of India has taken decisions to launch many number of the semiconductor manufacturing industries in India. I think in next 10 years, in India itself we will have a lot of opportunities, especially in the electronics, in the industry point of view. And also you have seen during after the pandemic situation, slowly the software is coming down and core opportunities are increasing, core placements are coming to the campus, and also core placements are offered through the online interviews. So acquire the knowledge, try to face interviews even through online, not only in the campus, crack in the outside also. For your information, I am telling, in KL University, we had also a core companies. So why can't it comes to you? And our students are facing interviews in the online, not in the campus. They are attending the interviews on the online. So acquire the knowledge, utilize the knowledge, and get placed in a good companies as per the wish of your parents. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for enlightening us with your speech. Now, it's a great pleasure for me to introduce our eminent and dynamic personality and honorable principal of our institution, Dr. Y.B. Narana Garu, who helped us and guided us for this program.
Respected and beloved resource person for this program, Dr. Kausi Guha Garu, who is the person acting like an isotropic source for different types of students from different state universities, and the person who is kind-hearted in helping the students of any state. Personally, I have seen the campus, and his name is so renowned in the campus, and a person who is actually spending much more time with the student affairs, even sometimes up to midnight, 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock also. And the second resource person from Andhra, from Vizag, Kaucharan Mammaneni, and who is showing the path for the students of Telugu community in NIT Silchar and helping to all the students for their existence in the campus. And one more person, Dr. K. Srinivasarao, perfect researcher and the person who is doing his journey in a practical way, famous personality in VLSI research from KL University, and the person who is actually responsible for conducting this type of 5-day program in our campus, our beloved HOD T. Jagadish, and the persons who are actually the example for the teamwork, and the persons who are actually taking the success of the department of ECE, our faculty members of ECE, supported teaching staff members, and the members who are actually giving an opportunity for everybody to excel in all fields, are my lovable students and HODs of the various departments and all other faculty members. Good afternoon to all of you. So it is really a great pleasure, and I am so happy to be in the inaugural function of this 5-day national level short-term training program on data processing and circuit design using EDA tools. EDA, electronic design automation, and which is a buzzword in these days because everybody is actually going for the automation with the advancement of technology in the electronics and communication engineering. And I feel proudly to say that at the right time we are conducting this type of workshops or other short-term training programs for all the faculty members who are responsible to enhance the knowledge of our students in all the directions. Students are rightly pointed out, seniors are rightly pointed out, total entire knowledge is driving towards the software in these days. But now the market is actually diverting in another direction. It is actually requiring the knowledge in the core. That's the reason it is the right time for everybody to excel in the core direction, to attract the companies in the product-based companies. Initially the salary will be less in the product-based companies, but later there is a possibility of starting your own industries in these areas. So that's the reason I would like to tell you as a principal of this institution, and Tirumala is already proving its capability in admissions, in placements, and in all directions. Now we would like to go for the second level, because recently, even the accreditation teams are also certified that TEC is doing its journey in the right direction. And once again I am congratulating, as it's an appropriate time for me, to congratulate our department of ECE for getting the MBA accreditation. And not only that, not only the accreditation, and the students are proving that they are having an excellent potential by bagging an excellent gold medal from JNT, where 226 affiliated colleges are there in the JNT University. Out of all those colleges, we are the number one in the ECE department. I can appreciate that. And the second one, even in EEE department also we got the gold medal this year. So that's why I can tell you so frankly, college is running very smoothly, very perfect in all directions, but our duty is to see that, and we have to go for the second level by inviting the concepts of the research. So today, I am so happy to say, 3 researchers actually inaugurated our research laboratory, and which is equipped with the high-end systems, and very good softwares are available for everybody. And I would like to see an excellent project from the students, and all those things should be published in repeated journals. And that much capability you have to build up, and for the development of the institution, there should not be any type of full stop. There should be only comma. So that's the reason, try to see that everybody has to contribute for this. And you know very well, and I am having totally 18 professors actually came from army or outside, and they became principal of different institutions. But all the principals are commonly they are telling, the department of ECE of Tirumala is the best department in the Guntur district. Whenever I was walking with all of them in the morning, they are always bagging this. That is only because of the committed faculty members and dedicated students of the department of ECE. Please try to keep it up. And as far as the NIT Silchar, sir already announced, we are having an excellent collaborative research for this NIT Silchar, because sir can do miracles there, and I know about his strength because recently I visited that campus, and it's a very big campus equipped with all the infrastructure, and all the students are so active also. And we have seen all the students from different states, and even from foreign also the people are coming, and the campus is excellent. And try to write your MTech gate examinations, get the admissions in that NIT Silchar or NIT Rourkela or whatever it may be. Try to enhance your standards, and don't try to stop the education if you are not having any financial crisis. So that's why NIT Silchar, an excellent campus I have seen. Sir told that it is naturally beauty, and the students are so active there, because for inactiveness there is no scope at all. And during the 2 days of my actual existence there, I have stayed there for 3 days. I have seen almost 6 cobras. All cobras are just like students, they are coming and they are going. Black cobras are there. So that's why everybody will be active. Well, what type of cobra may come also you can see them. So that's why I am telling you, our students are active, and our department of ECE is having active devices, and the campus is so clean and green and so attractive, and try to see that life. Don't try to see only Narsarapeta Mallama Center. Mallama Center will be there. Don't worry about it. Try to think beyond the boundary. Then you can understand what the life is. and try to do your higher degrees at least in the higher institutions like NITs. So that's why please try to do this, and once again I am really thankful because journey to NIT Silchar by train it takes 4 days, and actually sir came here with a lot of pain, and because of the affection, and actually Kavicharan sir as well as our Kausik Guha sir taken much more pain, and they reached here night 11 o'clock by road train from Hyderabad airport to this. It takes almost it took 6 hours, and once again it is a journey to NIT Silchar is a big one, but because of the affection and intimacy, and they have accepted this invitation. Sir, thank you very much sir for your acceptance to come to our institution, even if it is actually a rural institution. And recently I got some affection with our K. Srinivasarao garu, and I requested him, please try to do the collaborative research for DEC, and we people are always ready to do the research. And after the research, there should be a stage of going for the consultancy. And Department of ECE already started the consultancy projects with the government, and they are getting some money also. So that's why just getting the degree from JNT Cabinet is not a big deal. Writing the 2 medical examinations one semester is a general thing for every student. But in what way we are different from others, it will be a matter. So that's the reason, try to understand there are a lot of the things to be done. And definitely during the deliberations of our chief guests, then you can understand what is the advancement of technology in VLSI, why the devices are very, very small now, how to enter into the nanotechnology, what are the things to be left over for your research. If you want to understand the future problems, and definitely you have to involve with the dignitaries here, they are ready to do this because practically they are involved with the research. And the softwares which are required for doing all these types of things almost are costing around of lakhs of rupees. But even then, TEC is ready to bear that amount because I would like to see the publications of the students in a reputed journals in future. So that's the reason. Please try to involve into this. And once again, I am congratulating the Department of ECE for conducting this type of innovative FDPs and short-term training programs, and particularly on the latest technologies. And just at the beginning, my dear friends, in March, today is the beginning day for us. Just we are starting this, and on 16th and 17th are your days, because you are going to inaugurate your DEC Prayaga by inviting the students of all, because inauguration function will be on 16th, where you can expect the Vice Chancellor of Century University as the chief guest for that function. And 18th is completely the day for our students of DEC annual day celebration, where you can expect this chief guest, our DC Vice Chancellor Prasad Raj Garu is going to come as a chief guest, and try to enjoy these days and try to start your journey in March like this, because after 4 or 5 years we are also celebrating our annual day celebrations. Be active always and try to enjoy your days, right? Thank you very much for the opportunity. Actually, whenever they are communicating with me, and they are very much impressed with the accuracy and precision performances of our students, and at the beginning, so I request them to give a memento of our TEC to our students who performed very well. So please come here and take the mementos from our chief guests. Please come one by one.
Dr. Kaushik Guha sir. Give a huge round of applause, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Now is the time to felicitate Dr. Kavicharan Mohaneni garu by our principal sir and HOD sir as well. Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Srinivas Rao sir, Dr. K. Srinivas Rao sir, KU University, to please accept our felicitation. Now is the time to felicitate our renowned principal sir of